Australia is trying something bold to protect youngsters from various risks associated with online platforms such as TikTok and X. A new law that takes effect in December bans children under the age of 16 from using social media. It's meant to shield them from cyberbullying and a host of other online hazards. But what's being done to prepare for this ban? NHK World's Matsuda Nobuko reports.
This private girls' school in Sydney is taking steps to instill healthy digital habits in its pupils. It doesn't allow students between the 4th and 8th years of education to use smartphones. Instead, it provides them with so-called wise phones that contain apps mutually agreed upon by the school and students. Kashmir Agnew is in year 7. At this age, she can listen to music and use navigation apps. As she gets older, the number of apps she can use will increase. But internet browsers and social media are off limits.
I think the wise phone's a really good starting point for me, and I can gradually build up step by step up into those smartphone phases.
The long orange line on this survey of the student indicates that they are spending less time on social media.
More time with family, more time reading, more time on hobbies, less time on their phone and on social media, less time online gaming. That's a really important result. The results are really exciting.
Parents are also setting their own rules to keep their children safe. Stephanie Chalice lives in the southeastern states of Victoria with her husband and 2 sons, aged 5 and 8. She has resolved not to buy them smartphones until they turn 16. But she worries what would happen if they're the only ones.
It would have isolated them. And for parents who are taking that path alone, it does isolate their children. It's a collective action problem that we need to solve.
Chalice wants more parents to get behind the idea of keeping smartphones out of their children's hands. So far, a group of like-minded parents has gathered more than 5,000 participants from across the country.
I think it's a great idea to open the community's eyes to what's going on and to make everyone try and work together for the same cause.
The Australian government has commissioned private companies to study ways to keep children under 16 from creating social media accounts. The key is to accurately verify someone's age online. For example, this company's approach uses facial scans.
Your results, estimated age is 17, so we take a photo of your ID.
Someone who is estimated to be 22 or under must show their ID. Some tricks are tried to fool the technology. But even a photo of an adult is flagged as a fraud. 1,000 people will be analyzed to test the accuracy of each approach, taking into account various factors, such as ethnicity. An opinion poll found that over 3/4 of Australians support the social media ban. It's clear that the country thinks something has to be done to protect vulnerable children from the harmful impact of social media. Matsuda Nobuko, NHK World, Sydney.